Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I just wanted to promote a piece of free software that I think is a big deal for our community, especially for people who don't want to spend a whole lot of money for PixInsight and additional add-ons. So I find this software basically through one of the members of our community. His name is Aiden Orion, okay, and he had a video promoting this software also. It's called AstroNoise, and the version is 0.5.2. It's totally free. It's for Windows only. So for Mac users, for so far this is not available at least. But this works so far really nice. I didn't test it a lot, just I spent only basically maybe half an hour with it, but already shows a lot of promise, especially like I said again for people who do not want to spend the extra money for all kind of add-ons like RC Astro or whatever and PixInsight and that kind of stuff. So basically I'm gonna open up the software and I'll show you what it can do. Where is it? Right here. So just to show that how easy basically you can work with your images if you know how to, well, even if you don't stack your files basically in serial or anything, you can just take the one that comes out of the dwarf basically, I would say, and basically I saved stacked M42 here that I stacked earlier sometimes in serial, and I just want to show you. I open up serial. Basically I'm gonna show that this basically is a unstretched image on desktop here, result.fit, and as you see it's not stretched. So this is the linear view, auto stretch, and on link. So basically it's a very basic um, um, M42 stacked image, and what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna open it up in this software and show how what this can do basically. Remember, this image is unstretched. As you see, it's already turned it the right way around and stretched the image to a pretty much decent view. Now there are sliders on here where you can change the levels, basically the stretch levels. This depends on your computer, gonna take a little longer. So you can see works just in a few seconds basically. I just want to get like a decent view of this image. This is up to your taste, of course. Anyway, I think this is good enough just to show. Now you can change the strength of the noise level here, and basically you can play around. If you're not happy, you can go back and do it again before you save the image. And once you're happy with the viewable image, you can, as far as I think, you have to click this, check this box here, and it's gonna start the noise process. I pressed the process button before and sometimes does nothing happen, so I'm still very new to this. Like I said, I just downloaded it today, and as you see, the noising is in progress. Depend on the speed of your computer. That can take like a minute or something like that. Depend on the size of the image also. I did some other images that were smaller than this one, and went really fast, just a matter of seconds basically. This one takes a little longer. I guess it's almost done. But as soon as done, you can see right away it's an incredible change. Okay, and like I said, I didn't do anything with this image. You could just go back to serial, stretch your image first, you know, do green noise removal and all kind of things, whatever, background removal, you know, the normal workflow processing in serial, and you just can save your final image and denoise it with this software. I'm maybe gonna do that later on, but I just want to show you guys really quick how this works, and basically share it. Okay, share the knowledge. All right. So basically, after you save this image, I'm gonna save it as denoised. M42. I'm gonna save it as something like you can save it as a FITS image or TIFF at this point. I save it as a TIFF image so I can open up in Windows, and I save it right here on the desktop. Now I can put this down here and show you guys how this gonna work. I mean, in my opinion, it's incredible. If you look at the image in serial, you see how noisy this image is basically. It's noisy, there's a lots of color noise, all kind of stuff. That's a promising, you know, you could make a really nice image out of this in PixInsight also. But I mean, without doing anything with it, just open it up in this software, look the difference. I mean, this is almost a presentable image. Not to mention if I would present this on a iPhone or an iPad or something, I mean, this looks very decent already. I'm very happy with it, and not to mention you could just take this image and now do some changes in. Let's just open it up. Hold on a second. I'm gonna open it up just on Windows Photo, in a photo app. Open with. I don't even gonna go into Photoshop or anything. Just photos here. So I'm trying to keep, you know, the free software now. Okay, let's do some editing. What we can do just on Windows directly. Okay, I'm gonna crop the edges. Let's keep the running man nebula eventually. Let's see how this gonna look like. Alright, that's good enough. I'm gonna do some adjustments here. Let's see. A little bit of contrast. So there's not much what you can do. And then maybe turn the green off a little bit. Yeah, something like this. I mean, in my opinion, this is an incredible piece of free software. And I'm gonna save a copy here, right here on the desktop again. Point two, save. And look at that. This is without doing any stretch or anything. So this software is really for people who doesn't have all the knowledge with serial, but want to have a halfway decent. I mean, this image, if I'm gonna present this on an iPad or a phone screen, this gonna look very nice. Even on this is a 16-inch laptop that I have, looks very nice on this size of a screen. Well, anyway, good luck with everything, and thanks for watching. And if you like the video, please click the like button or subscribe, and you guys have a nice weekend.